And we're live. Boom! What's up, viewers and subscribers? You don't know, say it's your boy Face Skull, and welcome to another week of the Top 10 Dancehall Countdown. This is where we showcase all of the songs that are actually trending with the weeks prior. Yeah. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please ensure you click the subscription button right below the video so you can get notified when I drop a brand new video. So we'll get right into the video, but let me hear what sweet AI did right now. Alright, AI look like that load up. Alright, so that's a load up. So let us get right into the video. So starting at number 10. The number 10 spot we have Vibes Cartel and Russian. You see me I say storybook. We can't go play the video too long because I don't want to get copyright strike. You see me I say. Let me see if AI work. Hey Rex. Still not work. Alright, let's just get into the video. Let's go. So this is the number 10 spot. Storybook. Let's go.
Boy, your man tonight. No, show the money, alright. Makes you sad, I bring the light. Your nipple sweet, your body cute. We love it.
I really want to get copyright strike on one day. So that is Vibes Cartel and Russian Storybook.
Like one for
I like the beat still. You see me like the video clean and thing. The girl look good in the video, whitey.
storybooks. Wet up me balls with your pussy juice. Me body spray.
Yeah man, that sound like it bad, if you check it out. Alright, so at the number 10 spot, the name is kind of difficult for you to pronounce. Aethian. I never saw it pronounced, but Aethian and Skilly Bang and Nuts and Tap is there a tip. Yeah man, tip. So I run this. That song I changed from last week, is it me? So is it me? So about sound this, let's go.
Money coming at your mouth, chugging ya me like a curry. Fuck you like a dog, me no put your bucket. Do it in a hurry, pain face, yeah, blowy, so she love it coming. Yalla wine on the tip of me body, she have a grip.
Copyright strike people, is it me?
Me love me cocky teeth in a tummy. She swallow me like it's
Yeah man, bad song. So that is the number 9 spot. Number 10 spot, Alkaline with Heart's Car. Is it me?
Yeah.
Let me see if AI work. Hey Rex. Still not work. Come in.
To keep being naive, show me off bad for me, clip a scare, yo. Where do we?
That song I sound like some song where you have to just sit down and just jump on a headphone and just mess, bro. Is it me?
Go for me, styling thing.
Yeah man, so that's Alkaline Heart Scar, is it me? Number 8 spot. At the number 7 spot, we have Skipper, No Budget.
For the little feelings, small the call best and fat. So me I spend a bag of money cause he must get knocked. I'm in the care if me go down here, I go make it back. I bitch I gave him a down to my fucking last. So me say
Yeah man, so that Skipper, No Budget, number 7 spot. At number 6 spot now, we have Rani Rasta City. Is it me? Rani Rasta City, mad dog. Let's go.
If he send me run on my food, tell him try not pay me. Me splash marrow out like a gravy. Fuck you like a bitch, treat you like a lady. Me love you and a girl just trying to share me. Anything where you need to get.
Yeah man, so that's the number 6 spot. At the number 5 spot, we have Massacre, Overdose. Let's hear it.
pose, make me take your pick and you supposed to pose. Yeah, me trophy, and me love me trophy more. Bad and bougie, me rich and bossy down. Me a go make your mind tell you don't count me yo. Cause me touch you say yo, me talk and you float me but give you me heart, so don't joke it out. You take a one of a kind for you.
Yeah man, that song there for the girls them, is it me? Ladies them. So that's at the number 5th spot. At the number 4th spot now, we still have Massacre, but this one is called Mute. Let's go.
Sing bout that you know while.
The 9 brand.
Another thing go with the copyright strike. Let's go. Yeah man, what's up? So at the number third spot, we have T-Bone and Jamal. No doubt.
We up in them uptown. What we would I do with them dogs? What we would I do if we did listen them down? Bad bitch smoke, bang, look what me do with her mouth. Don't spell my make bricks, dog. We live in high road. We live in high fraud, everything.
Yeah, so that's at the number third spot. At the number second spot now, we have Skipper and Money, Sparta, HBC. I know if this is like a title we play because he's all there. You see me?
In a bag of talk, no care a fool I can say. My God, he set a couple rules me obey. She tell me never eat my food till me pray. Tell me never left my shoes on the ridge. Tell me walk with God or me I move with the key.
Move with the key. Night time, me I shoot up in place. Because them want me one away.
Alright, that their number second spot. At the number one spot now, we have Skipper seeing me with Junior Gang.
In the game, I do it myself. More half scan from me, I beat me bed. I find a way to make easy bread. I got a dolly for my skull, me just squeezing med. Come on, a girl from in a school, my dog. My mother cost.
Yeah, man. So those are the number 10 or the top 10 dancehall trending songs them for this week. You see me? So if you like the song them, you leave on a favorite comment. No, leave a comment in the description section stating what's your favorite song on the top 10 dancehall countdown list. You see me? I say, but people, before me end the video, me have something I want to know about. Earlier today, we had a strike.
Yo, what's good? You want to talk AI? I'm all ears, or rather, all circuits. Since you've brought up AI before, I'm guessing you're into stuff like smartphone assistants or maybe something wilder, like AI making beats for Facecal ENT. So, you looking for the latest AI trends, specific tech, or maybe how AI is shaking up the entertainment world? What's the vibe?
Yeah, guys, that's the AI I'm talking about. All right, Rex, can you give me the latest news that's happening in the world right now? You'll hear more about that. All right, so anyways, what I try to say is that we have a potential world war going to occur. You see me? I said, we need to go say much about that. I just play one video where with Donald Trump, I give him US, well, give him citizens a briefing on what happened basically. You see me? All right, and take a prayer, this.
Thank you very much. A short time ago, the U.S. military carried out massive precision strikes on the 3 key nuclear facilities in the Iranian regime, Fordow, Natanz, and Esfahan. Everybody heard those names for years as they built this horribly destructive enterprise. Our objective was the destruction of Iran's nuclear enrichment capacity and a stop to the nuclear threat posed by the world's #1 state sponsor of terror. Tonight, I can report to the world that the strikes were a spectacular military success. Iran's key nuclear enrichment facilities have been completely and totally obliterated. Iran, the bully of the Middle East, must now make peace. If they do not, future attacks will be far greater and a lot easier. For 40 years, Iran has been saying death to America, death to Israel. They have been killing our people, blowing off their arms, blowing off their legs with roadside bombs. That was their specialty. We lost over 1,000 people, and hundreds of thousands throughout the Middle East and around the world have died as a direct result of their hate. In particular, so many were killed by their general, Qasem Soleimani. I decided a long time ago that I would not let this happen. It will not continue. I want to thank and congratulate Prime Minister Bibi Netanyahu. We worked as a team like perhaps no team has ever worked before. And we've gone a long way to erasing this horrible threat to Israel. I want to thank the Israeli military for the wonderful job they've done. And most importantly, I want to congratulate the great American patriots who flew those magnificent machines tonight, and all of the United States military on an operation the likes of which the world has not seen in many, many decades. Hopefully, we will no longer need their services in this capacity. I hope that's so. I also want to congratulate the chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, General Dan Raisin Kane, spectacular general, and all of the brilliant military minds involved in this attack. With all of that being said, this cannot continue. There will be either peace or there will be tragedy for Iran far greater than we have witnessed over the last 8 days. Remember, there are many targets left. Tonight's was the most difficult of them all, by far, and perhaps the most lethal. But if peace does not come quickly, we will go after those other targets with precision, speed, and skill. Most of them can be taken out in a matter of minutes. There's no military in the world that could have done what we did tonight, not even close. There has never been a military that could do what took place just a little while ago. Tomorrow, General Kane, Secretary of Defense, Pete Hegseth will have a press conference at 8 a.m. at the Pentagon. And I want to just thank everybody, and in particular, God. I want to just say we love you, God, and we love our great military. Protect them. God bless the Middle East. God bless Israel, and God bless America. Thank you very much. Thank you.